likes gossip. She likes gossip.
Okay, so I'm going to contour the outer corner of the eyes with a burnt dark brown eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow. Your contouring color has to be matte, it must not be shimmery. So I'm going to blend it in. So I'm dusting off the excess, the fallout of the eyeshadow with my fan brush. And then I'm going to line her eyes. I'm going to line her under eye, the waterline, with my black pencil. Sorry. This part can be very ticklish, so one needs to be very, very careful. So now I'm going to move to the night look, which is going to be smoky eyes, as I earlier said. Welcome back. Welcome back. Right about now, I'm about to start the other part of the eyes with the night look. I'm going to be doing the night look on it, and I'm going to be making use of this brown color to transition as usual before I go into my smoky look. So I'm going to be making use of a dark smoky eyeshadow because we're doing smoky eyes. So I'm going to be starting with the transitioning as usual, placing it on the crease. So I'm going to be making use of a gel liner. This gel liner is going to be serving as my primer. I'm going to be applying my dark eyeshadow. I am making use of a matte dark eyeshadow, black. Just applying it, and I'm dabbing it in. I am not spreading it too much. And I'm going to be stopping at the last lash line so I can have space for contouring as usual. I'm making use, for the contouring, I'm not going to be making use of too much of black so that the eyes does not get too dark. So I'm going to be making use of my burnt brown matte eyeshadow because it helps to cool down the black so it doesn't get too dark during the process. So I'm going to use it to smoke out the black. And I'm going to mix it with a little bit of black as well. The beauty of eyeshadow application is flawless blending. Once you can blend well and there's no difference, people can't see where your eyeshadow started from and where it ended, then it is regarded, it is said to be flawless and beautiful. So if you feel you have too much of line, like you have too much during your blending, you pressed your brush too much, you could correct the blending with a little bit of powder. It helps to correct the blending. And as usual, you have to be very careful with the brow bone. The brow bone has to be bright, has to be light. Okay guys, here is the outcome of the look. Here is the everyday look, very subtle and nice, not too loud, not too shouty, just beautiful. Then here on the left side is the smoky eyes, which is the night look. So as you can see, I enhanced it with some glitters to make it, you know, smoky and elaborate. So hope you had fun and hope you enjoyed the class. Bye for now.
I think I look amazing all over time.
Hi everyone, my name is Ojimba Loretta. I am the creative director of Cece Lore's Place. In Cece Lore's Place, our services include makeup, nails, we sell hair, and we also train people in makeup. So for those that would like to get themselves empowered in terms of makeup, in terms of nails, in terms of hair, we do that. Our office is located at number 12 Okpebi. Hope to see you soon, and we'll be looking forward to your patronage. Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Like splashing.